Right now, everyone is talking about oil prices, recession fears, and bad job numbers. And because of that, most investors are frozen. But what if I told you that this exact moment is quietly setting up one of the biggest investing opportunities of our lifetime? Not later, not next year, right now. Let's break down what's actually scaring the market. Oil prices are rising, which could increase inflation. Unemployment is ticking up, which signals economic slowdown. Put those together and people start shouting recession, stagflation, market crash. And what do most investors do? They panic, they sell. Or they sit on the sidelines waiting for clarity. But here's the truth. The market always feels uncertain at turning points. And that's exactly why most people miss the opportunity. Let's zoom out for a second. Everyone keeps throwing around the word stagflation, like it's common. But in reality, it has only truly happened once in modern history. 1973. One time in over 60 years. That means, yes, it's possible, but it's extremely rare. And for it to happen again, multiple things must go wrong at the same time. Oil prices must spike massively, the economy must be weak, and the central bank must raise interest rates aggressively. But guess what? Right now, we're in a rate-cutting cycle, not a rate-hiking one. So the market is pricing in a worst-case scenario that may never actually happen. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to predict the market. They wait for perfect conditions. But successful investors don't predict. They prepare. Think about it, the dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID crash, the 2022 bear market. Every single time people thought this time is different. And every single time the market recovered and went higher. In fact, over the last 25 years, the market still returned over 300%. Meanwhile, cash lost purchasing power due to inflation. So the real risk isn't investing. The real risk is staying out. So what should you actually do? Simple. Stop trying to time the market. Instead, use a strategy like dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount consistently every month. And when markets drop, you don't panic. You double down. Because downturns aren't the danger, they're the discount. This is how long-term investors win. They buy when others are fearful. They stay consistent. And they let time do the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about the real opportunity. While everyone is distracted by fear, a massive shift is happening. Artificial intelligence. This isn't just another trend. It's a once-in-a-generation transformation. But here's the key. The biggest money won't just be made in AI companies. It will be made in the infrastructure behind AI. We've already talked about energy as a bottleneck. But there's another critical bottleneck emerging that most investors haven't even noticed. That's where the next opportunity lies. If you want me to break down that next opportunity and the exact stocks I'm watching, let me know in the comments. Part 2. And remember, the market rewards patience, not panic.